official spokesperson of the Ahwazi Democratic Popular Front, ADPF.org. Thanks for this opportunity. The regime change in Iran is not only necessity for the Ahwazi people, however, it is for the British people and government. When we look at the negotiation during 2015, the Iranian regime wants to smuggle 3.5 TNT explosive to the UK. A couple of days ago, the MI5 arrested a Norwegian citizen who wants to kill one of the non-Persian nations activists. A few days before, again, they arrested 2 Iranians that belong to the IRGC. I think we need to make sure that we use the appropriate keywords. We are, as a non-Persian nations, not a community and not a minority. We are the nations. Iran